creative.
All present here. My name is Arushree from PU1 Science, and today I will be talking about biodiversity. Biodiversity literally means a variety in life. It can also be defined as the variety of life in all its forms and interactions at all its levels, from genes to ecosystems, and can encompass the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that sustain life. This term was coined in 1985, and it's a contraction of the words biological diversity. Biodiversity is important because for humans, especially because of our needs of food, fuel, shelter, and medicine. Unfortunately, our biodiverse ecosystems are under threat, which can upset the delicate balance of our planet. There are many threats to our biodiverse ecosystems, such as unsustainable resource use, invasive species, pollution, and global climate change. The underlying causes of biodiversity loss include growing human population and overconsumption. A few examples of loss in biodiversity include the declining coral reefs in Australia, and also a few examples are in few loss of species in the Amazon forest. These are biodiversity hotspots, and it's terrifying that they are losing the rich biodiversity, the biodiversity in them. We can rectify this if we follow biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation is the protection and management of biodiversity to obtain resources for sustainable development. They have three main objectives: to preserve the diversity of species, sustainable utilization of species and ecosystem, to manage life-supporting systems, and essential ecological processes. There are two ways to proceed with biological conservation. They are called in situ and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation is where the species are conserved within their natural habitat. It's cost effective and convenient, and a large number of organisms can be conserved simultaneously. And since the organisms are in their natural ecosystem, they can evolve better and easily adjust to different environmental conditions. Examples of in situ conservation are national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. In India, there are many national parks, including and those in